Want to know how to open a Zelle account in the United States? Zelle is actually built directly into most major U.S. banking apps, which means your first step is opening a U.S. bank account. Let's use Chase Bank as an example. Start by opening the Chase app or website. Tap the main menu icon at the top of the screen and select the checking option. From the submenu that appears, tap on Choose a Checking Account to see your options. You'll see a list of everyday accounts. Browse through the choices to find the one that fits you best, such as Chase Total Checking or Chase Secure Banking. Review the account details, like monthly fees and ways to waive them. Once you've made your choice, tap the green Open Now button. To open your account online, you'll need a few things ready: a U.S. Social Security number and a valid driver's license or state ID. Choose whether you're a new or existing customer to get started. Next, you'll fill out your personal information. Make sure to enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your government ID, and complete the rest of the application steps to get approved. Once your bank account is officially open and you log into the app, you're ready for Zelle. Right on your main dashboard, you'll see a Send Zelle button. Just tap it, link your U.S. phone number or email address, and you can start sending and receiving money instantly.